This is just a trial. I need to get a better mouse to navigate this a little better, but this is just a trial. We start out with the rough opening, and the middle divider we put a bead of sealant. Then we have the strut frame, another bead of sealant. Then we put our frame, subframe, and then the piping is installed. And after the piping is installed, we installed the covers, which you see here are made nicely round and smooth. Nice smooth edges everywhere. And need to get a better mouse to navigate here. These are pretty shiny. I'll see if I can do a cross section here. Cross-sectional analysis. We see that it kind of looks like this. We have a seal here, and we have another seal here. Oops. Okay. Now I'll work on it some more to make it even shinier and better.